Art is not just a subject, it is a way of thinking, expressing, and understanding the world. And that's exactly what NCF 2023 envisions. Arts education that builds creativity, confidence, emotional expression, cultural awareness, and essential life skills. But today, classrooms still face challenges. Art becomes drawing for exams. Children reproduce the same stereotypical images with no imagination. And they rarely experience art the way it's meant to be, hands-on, diverse, meaningful. So how do we change this? S. Chand Publishing reimagined art education, introducing Art Exploration for grades nursery to 8, India's first of its kind art series designed for the way children learn today. This groundbreaking series is brought to you by the seasoned expertise and passion of its authors, designer and artist Ms. Arushi Chaudhary and visual arts professional and filmmaker Ms. Priya Goswami.
The series brings together contemporary art, diverse Indian and global art forms like Madhubani, Kalamkari, Mandala, Zendaili, and lot more. Strong foundations in light, shadow, texture, shape, color, and perspective. A wide range of craft work and beautifully structured calligraphy. It builds visual creative skills essential in today's digital, visual first world, all through learning that is simple, experiential, and joyful.
For grades 3 to 8, we introduce something truly innovative: vocational skills through photography. Photography not as a hobby, not as an add-on, but as a modern global skill-based discipline. Because visual creative skills power some of the fastest growing careers. Photography becomes a medium to introduce students to lights, angles, introducing them to foreground, background, understanding perspectives, framing and composition techniques. We are also introducing golden ratio and rule of thirds composition techniques to kids. And not just this, we have digital etiquette and safety that we are introducing them through this series. We have photography and mindfulness. And here's the best part. Students don't need a camera for this. No expensive equipment at all. The series includes simple creative photography activity kits that teach light, framing, perspective, and storytelling, all through hands-on experiential learning. Children can read, try, create independently, and explore video tutorials for deeper understanding.
Our syllabus for the foundational, preparatory, and middle stages is crafted with grade-appropriate hands-on activities that grow with the child step by step.
With S. Chand's Art Exploration, children don't just learn art, they experience it, they explore it, they own it. And parents will see tangible digital and creative skills developing, not just traditional art. Bring experiential, future-ready art education into your classrooms. Connect with us for samples, demos,